Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to Bvlgari. I will check out a few beautiful pieces. I have been watching so many Korean soap operas lately and they're making me obsessed with the jewelry. And I will also post the second part of this vlog this Friday, so please stay tuned. Also, please consider subscribing to my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about jewelry, beauty products, Dior, luxury shopping vlogs, Chanel bags, weekly vlogs, travel videos, and style and fashion. If you watched my other videos, especially about Van Cleef and Arpels jewelry, I was previously considering adding Alhambra necklace, but I also like this ones. They are so cute. I will try them on and show to you guys. I like the fact that they are pretty light and they go in different colors. So that's how it looks on me. It's so pretty. I practically don't even feel it, and I like the fact that I can just turn it around and I can have the chain hanging down, which I like quite a lot. I think that this necklace would work just great with any outfit, whether I'm wearing a t-shirt or a dress or a blazer. It's just so beautiful. I also like the version with the diamonds. It's so sparkly. I like the way it's reflecting the light and it makes the whole necklace look like there are diamonds all over it. It's so pretty. I like this design, and I'm also gonna try on the ring like that. This could make a perfect set. I like it. What do you guys think about this ring? There was also a smaller version of this one. I will show it to you in a second. This is the one. I still think the bigger one looks a bit better. I still prefer the way the bigger rings look on me. I quite like them. They just look more substantial, but this ring is not too bad. It's quite cute. It's not heavy either, and it feels quite comfortable. I also saw these beautiful earrings and the ring. They are so stunning. I will try all of them and show to you guys. I think that the bigger earrings would suit me better because I usually tend to go for the bigger ones. I find that the small ones are not as flattering, but we'll see. And this is how the bigger ones look on me. I have to say I'm very impressed by the fact that they are actually so light. They seem to be quite big, but actually I don't really feel them on my ears, and it's a really positive thing for me because I don't like very heavy jewelry. I'm definitely going to consider these ones. They are stunning. Of course, Van Cleef & Arpels is my first priority, but I'm getting quite obsessed with Bvlgari as well. And here is the other type that I showed to you earlier. It's so cute as well. I like it a lot. But somehow I feel like the bigger earrings look better on me. Maybe I'm just used to more substantial type of earrings. The only downside that these have is that the stud is not very easy to put on. It took me about 3 minutes to put them on, and I just can't imagine me being stressed in the morning, rushing to go to work or somewhere and being so frustrated over it, but maybe I just need some more time to get used to them. Anyways, the design is very beautiful, and here is the ring. I like the way it looks with both of these earrings. It's so pretty. It looks like a set. And I usually try to match the earrings and the ring. I just like this combination. What do you guys think about this too? And which earrings from both of these do you prefer? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're gonna say. And I'm also still thinking about the free walls from VCA. I have these ones in the yellow gold in the small and large size, but I'm considering them in the white gold. I quite like it. The advantage of this is that the clasp is much better. I feel like the dangling earrings would be better, but the smaller ones are not as pretty as VCA's. A lot to think about. And here's the necklace, by the way. It's so pretty. I like the way it looks with everything as well. It's very nice. And I like the double flower necklace that I will show to you in a second as well. I think that these designs are so timeless, and I can totally see myself wearing them even in 20 years time. They are just so gorgeous. And I actually have very similar ring and earrings in 2 different sizes. I wear them very often and I really love them. I never get tired of them, and flower design is probably my favorite. That's why I actually love Free World collection from VCA as well. I was told that this design is actually quite new for the ring. I like a similar one from Van Cleef and Arpels, but it's in a bigger size, of course. But this one is a bit dainty looking. I like it a lot. And I like the way the diamonds are reflecting the light. It's so sparkly. And the ring moves as well, like you can move the leaves. It's so cute. And here is another pendant that my friend recommended that I try on. It's so cute, and I've seen this one in a few Korean soap operas as well. It's very popular, and I've seen it in Mother of Pearl, but I prefer it with diamonds. It's really pretty. And I like the earrings as well. Such a pretty set. And all of this look quite dainty. I like them a lot. They're very feminine. They are also very light. I practically don't even feel them. And it's a good thing because I don't like heavy earrings. And there was also another pendant. This necklace is with pink sapphires, and I find it so pretty. I like it a lot. It's very light too. I'm actually quite surprised that I'm liking so many necklaces at Bvlgari today, and I'm actually not a necklace fan. I usually tend to go for earrings, for rings, and that's it. Maybe sometimes bracelets. By the way, here is another beautiful ring that I absolutely adore. This one is so gorgeous. I like the way it's reflecting the light. I'm very excited to discover so many beautiful items for myself today. And I went to Bvlgari once before with my friend, and I recorded a vlog. I will link it down in the description box below for you guys. This is it. I hope that you guys like this video. Please consider giving it thumbs up, and I will be posting the second part of Bvlgari vlog on Friday, so please stay tuned and do consider subscribing to my channel. Please also consider checking out my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!